So what really is a brand? According to Marty Neumeier, a brand is a person's gut feeling about a product, service, or company. It's not what you say it is, it's actually what they say it is. See, a brand is about making a promise and keeping that promise. It's about being consistent, building trust, and building relationships. That's the key about a brand. Some people have a misconception. They think a brand is a logo or a business card, but it's actually not. It's actually a gut feeling. It's an emotional connection with someone. And that's the difference. That's the key. With branding, the thing is it develops over time because people only buy from people they know, like, and trust. And one way of building that trust is having good design, because good design helps make sure that every experience or every touch point with your brand is consistent, that the voice and the messaging is simple and clear, and it matches the brand's values and brand tone. So you want to make sure that, you know, whether it's a logo, whether it's a website, whether it's a presentation, or maybe they're having a conversation with you, you want to make sure that your brand lines up with that. And that's what really a brand is. It's an emotional connection with something, and it develops over time, and it builds that trust. And you build that trust by serving your audience and giving value to them. It's not about just taking, or buy my product. It's not about that. It's actually about developing that relationship and that rapport with someone, whether it's a target audience or a customer or a client, whatever it is. And that's how you develop that brand. And having this understanding is really going to help you, with your branding and developing your products or coming up with a new idea. And once you understand this, what branding really is, it's actually going to help you create a strategy and help you move forward.